I hope he died, bro. On everything. I hope he died.
I'm so sorry.
A pig like that does not need to be on this earth, bro, because I literally just got in and I already had my turn signal on for a hot minute. Angry old man. And he really doesn't need to be doing that because one of these days he's gonna take somebody's fucking life.
The 22nd of October, 2025, Illinois. 5 legal issues. Whether a victim's 3-0. Second statement established every element of the assault charge. Why a man walking his dogs after a knife attack could be arrested without a warrant. What the dog leash defense actually argues under Illinois resisting arrest law. When a 6-2-year-old subject's handcuff complaint becomes a constitutional welfare concern, and why this channel is flagging the most significant legal citation error in this series. The victim's statement established the assault charge in its entirety. Under Illinois Aggravated Assault Law, 720 ILCS 512-2, the offense is complete when a person is placed in reasonable apprehension of imminent battery by someone armed with a deadly weapon. No physical contact is required. The victim confirmed she locked her doors when she saw Michael exit his vehicle with the knife. She confirmed she felt threatened for her life. She confirmed the knife was pointed at her. Under United States v. Hensley 1985, that statement constitutes third-party information satisfying probable cause for arrest. The entire charge was established before officers found Michael. The tire stabbing establishes criminal mischief under 720 ILCS 521-1, knowingly damaging another's property. The confirmed charge is over $200 but under $1,000, making it a Class A misdemeanor. The replacement cost of a stabbed tire is well above the $200 threshold. No independent evidence is required beyond the officer's observation of the damaged tire and the victim's account. Both were documented at the scene.
I'm trying to see if I can get the tag for you.
Is that a dually?
Yeah, I think so.
It is red, but it's not a dually.
Red in color. Older white male with a white beard.
338. It's a newer model, bright red color. It's got step bars on the side. Are you okay? Are you injured at all?
No, I'm not injured. I'm just, my kids are in here, bro. I could have went a hell of a lot more.
What tire did you stop? Okay.
Right up. I mean, almost straight.
Man, I pet your puppy.
No.
He's so cute.
Yeah.
He's okay.
And then he whips off.
Alright.
Get her information.
I will.
Can I get your information, ma'am?
So before that light, he was speeding up past me, and I already had my turn signal on because I was halfway between that light and this light. You need my
Get behind her.
registration.
She's
You want my
getting her info.
registration?
I don't need your registration. I just need your identification,
I
okay?
handed it to him.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
I wish I would.
Listen, calm down so I don't have to get EMS out here for you, okay? Alright, it's alright. It's a tire. Just be glad you were okay, your kids are okay, okay? I'm so sorry.
He's a fucking dickhead. I hope he died, bro. On everything. I hope he died.
I'm so sorry.
A pig like that does not need to be on this earth, bro, because I literally just got in and I already had my turn signal on for a hot minute. Angry old man. And he really doesn't need to be doing that because one of these days he's gonna take somebody's fucking life.
Ma'am, did he threaten you with a knife?
I'm gonna reenact him, right? I don't exactly I couldn't really hear what he said. But he said, you better watch out and what you're doing. And I said, I don't even remember.
Did he
what I
point
said.
the knife at
He
you?
pointed at me, and then, I said, whatever, keep going, like, just go. And then he got out.
Did he threaten to stab you or hurt you with the knife? Did you feel at any point
At
that you were
any
going
point,
to be...
yes, because I locked my
That
doors.
sounds
I locked my doors as soon as he opened his doors and got out of his car.
All right.
At that point, I felt threatened for my life.
Thank you, ma'am. I need you to write a statement for me. Can you do that? Okay, thank you.
The documentary narrator cites Florida statute section 790.1 improper exhibition of a dangerous weapon as the applicable charge. The footage confirms this case occurred in Illinois. Florida Statute Section 790.1 does not apply in Illinois. The correct Illinois provision is 720 ILCS 524-1, which covers threatening exhibition of weapons. The penalty is equivalent up to 1 year, misdemeanor, so the practical consequence of this citation error is limited. The citation itself is wrong. In a legal analysis video, citing the wrong state statute is the kind of error that this channel exists to identify. Mr. Cornwall's resisting arrest charge requires the defendant to have knowingly resisted under 720 ILCS 531-1. His defense that dog leashes were physically wrapped around his wrist, preventing immediate compliance, contests the knowing element directly. If the entanglement was genuine, Cornwall was not knowingly resisting. He was physically constrained. If it was a delay tactic, the knowing element is satisfied. The footage shows multiple minutes of commands and opportunities to comply. Whether that duration resolves the knowing element against Cornwall is the factual question the court will address. This is not a frivolous defense. Michael's repeated complaint that his arms don't bend that way during handcuffing triggers welfare analysis under Kingsley v. Hendrickson, 2015. A 6-2-year-old subject with potential mobility limitations making sustained complaints about pain during physical restraint is presenting a credible welfare concern that requires documented assessment. The officer's continued handcuffing without explicit welfare documentation is the procedural gap here. The complaint may have been exaggerated. It may also have been genuine. Under Kingsley's objective reasonableness standard, the subject's age and the specificity of the complaint warranted a pause and a documented response.
What's your name? My dog's a friend. Put the dog down. I will. Right now. Come on. Right now. Right now. I have no problem. Right now. Hey. Easy. My dog's a friendly. You don't have to tase him, buddy. You don't have to. No, my dog's a friendly.
We're going to tase you if you don't stop.
I'm going to bring him in the house. You keep walking. No, I want to bring him in my house. I don't got the place. I want to bring him in the house. All right.
Let go of the dogs. I got them. Let go of them.
All right.
Let go of the dogs. I got them.
I will. They're wrapped around my wrist, bro.
Let go of them.
They're wrapped around my wrist, bro.
Let go of them.
My hand's open. My hand's open. My hand's open, bro.
Take the dog.
My hand's open.
Roll over.
Which way?
Roll over to your stomach. To your stomach.
To my right or my left?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, all right, listen, my arms are bent.
Hands behind your back.
Easy. My arms are bent that way. They hurt. Please don't make cuffs on me. Oh, that hurts. It hurts, man. You have no idea. Oh, my God. You're hurting me real bad. I have no problem complying. My arms hurt real bad.
All right, roll over to your side.
All right, which way, bro? Come on. All right, easy.
You want to be in this situation?
I'm not complaining. All right, listen. All right, okay.
Sit up, you ready?
All right.
Oh, he's heavy.
Listen, I'm not giving you guys a hard time, please. I'm a little limited in my movements. That's all, bro. I want my dogs in the house.
We'll get them in the house.
That's all I want. Yeah, that's not a problem. I have no problem complying with anything with you guys. Nothing at all. Okay?
All right, we're going to pull this knee up underneath you, all right?
Okay, this one up and this one up. Okay, just lift me up from behind. We're okay. Yeah, come on. Come on. Okay.
There you go.
All right, thank you. Yeah, I'm not trying to give you guys a hard time, bro. Not at all.
Well, make sure your dogs get in the house.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. Listen, we're good. Okay.
Hey, you're going along. Back door.
I don't know. My wife's in the house.
Wife's in the house. Hey, Central, wife's in the house.
Yeah, but listen, my dogs are good puppies. They really are. Let me get my dogs.
Yeah, baby. Come here. Hi. I know. Hello.
They're all good. Mama, they're all good dogs. Just let me get my dogs in the house, bro.
I'm gonna send y'all the full video so y'all can.
Oh, you have a video?
I have a video. I have a 7-second video of him pulling off after he stabbed my tire.
Okay. Do you have him in the video at all?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That's.
That motherfucker just cut my tire! He cut my tire! He cut my fucking...
Okay. Perfect.
He had a whole green light. He could have kept going. I had a red light.
Okay.
But yeah, he stopped in dead traffic to do all that and be
What happened prior to that?
So there was an ambulance passing, right? And I didn't see that truck. He was obviously speeding way too fast. Because the speed limit right here is 45, 50?
45.
Okay, so I was going 45. And I was in the middle lane. And I didn't see him behind the ambulance behind me, right? So I get in the far left lane at that light.
Okay, Rolling Acres?
Rolling Acres light. And then he follows
Right.
me.
Do me a favor? Can you pull up the mail on that car?
How you doing, Lady Lake Police Department?
Hi.
Hey, right now your husband's in handcuffs. We brought your dogs back, put them out here. I don't know if you want them back in the house with you.
Oh.
There was an incident that happened in Lady Lake. We're working through all that right now, but he wanted the dogs back in the house, so we got them back in here. I want to let you know they're back in the porch, okay? We'll deal with that, and then we'll talk to you once we get done with all that, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna have to help me in the back.
Just put your butt in. Put your butt in.
Yeah, no, but I'm saying you're gonna have to help me in.
We're trying to tell you.
Yeah, no, I'm saying I have no problem. Come on, I'm just saying you gotta help. You gotta help me in.
Hey, look at me.
All right.
Oh, that works too. Put one foot in. Now sit down on your butt. Excuses. There we go. Now right foot.
There ain't no excuses, Mo. I'm just trying to tell you, I have a hard time.
No, he doesn't speak good English. He didn't say excuses.
Yeah, you know what? You know what?
Thank you.
Yeah, eat a dick. Yeah, now what?
He's drunk. Oh yeah, he's drunk.
Y'all on video driving?
Did he have a knife on him?
Huh?
Did he have a knife on him?
Probably in his truck. Did you see it in the truck?
Not through the windows or anything.
For someone that doesn't know what he doesn't even ask when he's being
He
handcuffed.
didn't even ask. He got out of the car and threatened a mother and her children, and then slashed her tires.
Do you allow
Would you allow us to go in the truck and see if the knife's in the center console?
Yeah, he has knives. I mean, you know.
Does he
works
always
with knives.
carry one?
Yeah, he works with knives, so.
Okay. Did they say what kind of knife it was?
Did they say what kind of knife it was?
Any coloring, anything?
What color was it?
It's either like a green or black or dark gray.
Green or black or dark gray army style knife.
And it was like
She said it's about the length,
his palm.
of your palm,
His
to
palm.
your end of your finger. His palm to the end of his fingers.
That's how big it looked.
Got a bottle of Jack Daniels in the center console.
All right, your husband's going to jail for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, criminal mischief, and resisting arrest. He's going to have no bond until he sees a judge.
I hope you can catch him.
We got him.
Hell yeah! Yeah! Tax dollars out. Hell yeah. From what I can remember, he was in his car when he pulled up real tight on her, yelled at her through the window. She yelled back in her seat. He got out, went up to her tire here, and stabbed it. And then
Made a stabbing motion.
Yes. I mean, he went. Like,
Okay.
like yes. You knew it was
Did
a
you
stab.
see him near her passenger side window with the knife at all?
With the headlights, it's really hard to tell with like the depth perception, but I can guarantee you, if she was outside of the car, it would not have been the tire, it would have been her, because he looked pissed. Just, I don't care. F you.
You saw the stabbing motion.
Yes, you knew it was a knife from just the
You
motion.
saw it as well.
Yeah, just I rolled down the window to here, and I put my head out a little bit to look behind, and when he went off so fast, I had to bring my head back in because he was that close to hitting my car. Her car.
What state were you born in?
It's none of your business. I'm not here to answer your questions.
Okay, I'll figure it out. Thank you. Quit kicking my seat.
I'm not kicking your seat. I'm stepping my feet.
Quit kicking.
I'm not kicking your seat.
You keep making movement back there and kicking my.
Hey, listen, you're gonna stop me to tell me to stop moving my feet.
Okay, and I'm gonna.
Yeah, do what you gotta do, buddy.
We're just here assisting them on traffic stop. What's that?
I was out of the vehicle with my keys in my pocket.
How'd the vehicle get here? You parked it?
Yeah.
So that means you drove it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all we needed.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. I don't know, that's not my problem. I'll say it. Step out of the vehicle. Get up on the deck or up on the road. Any drugs, weapons, anything on you? Okay, hold on.
So I helped your sister and your brother-in-law move in, and that's just what you did.
call my plate.
Said no drugs, weapons, nothing in the poke, stab me, hurt me?
No.
Looking at anything in your pockets at all?
My wallet.
Okay. What pocket?
And
Don't reach, please. Don't reach.
I just make sure I didn't have nothing else.
I get you. I get you. Just don't reach.
My wallet.
Okay, just keep your hands up there.
And I've worked 3 different jobs.
Okay. All right, buddy. Will you leave the keys, wallet right there for me? Will you step back here from this squad car? Just up here on the sidewalk.
And I'm not going to be able to get to my job tonight, and I'm going to get
This way.
So, you took my place while you're sitting there. And
No.
yeah, then how did you take my call on me? No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. It's on the radio, sir.
So here's how this is going to work.
He didn't have time.
I'm not here to argue with you.
I'm not arguing with you.
Arlen, here's how this is going
That's
to
what
work.
we're
I
doing.
pulled in
Just
front of
listen,
him and I
Arlen,
pulled and
slow
parked here.
down. We will explain everything.
I
Just
work 3
slow
jobs.
down.
You guys are going to screw me. I have to get to Rock
Arlen.
Falls to my job. I don't have
I
points.
understand. It's a frustrating situation, okay?
Dude,
Let us
like,
explain
I'm a
this.
working man. And you got out the
Let's
whole
explain
department because I pled guilty to a damn resisting charge that I didn't even resist. I got tased 4 times because of somebody else doing.
I have absolutely
like,
zero knowledge.
But that's why the whole squad's here is what I'm saying.
Arlen, I'm going to run my dog around your cars. Is she going to indicate to any odor of narcotics?
I don't know. She shouldn't. This is I already know this whole MO. Like, actually, I do not consent because I already know. I don't consent to none of this.
You don't. I don't need your consent.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yes,
sir.
I do not. Yes, you do.
No.
I do not consent to
Arlen,
any of this. I don't
on a
consent.
traffic stop, this is not the
I
place
don't
to argue.
consent.
If you
I'm
want to
not
argue, you
arguing
can
with you.
argue.
I know my right.
That is what your duty.
No, I'm not. I'm telling you I know my right, but I do not consent.
Argue in court. We're not doing it right here.
I don't consent.
Okay.
That's against the law. Okay. I know my right. Now watch me.
No, I'm good. That's his job.
No, I'm saying watch him.
No, I understand what you're saying. I'm good.
He's
That's
gonna
his job.
tell the judge. Like, I've been in this like this stupid. Like seriously, you guys are gonna f me out of my job. Like why my plates got suspended? Why?
Mandatory insurance.
Aren't they supposed to like notify me about that?
They probably sent you something in the mail.
I haven't got nothing.
That's between you and the Secretary of State. I have no control over that.
And good.
Okay. Well, the plates are suspended, so we are going to have to take the plates from the vehicle. Okay.
Can I just leave it here?
No,
and
it's
then go. It's not. It's parked.
I have to
Can I please? I have to get to work. I can go get insurance right now and take care of it. Go to the courthouse and take care of this. Like, come on, you guys did this to me last time, man.
If that was the way it works, I could help you
Can
out.
I
That's
get?
not the
So
way it
you
works,
brought
okay?
the whole squad after. You brought the whole squad after I helped your sister move in from Texas. Like I worked a 10-hour shift last night, and then I immediately went and unloaded that huge truck at your sister's, and you're gonna run my plates and then follow me like on some bullshit. Like this is how you do your job.
All right, Arlen. So there was a positive canine alert.
He just said that I was good. You heard him say I was good.
He just told me that there was a positive
He
canine
said I was
alert.
good. This is bullshit.
I watched the dog. The dog indicated.
How did the dog indicate? What did he do? I was watching the dog too. How did
That's a good question for the canine officer.
You just said you saw him indicate.
Yeah. When he throws him the toy and he sits on the vehicle.
He threw him the toy. The dog went and got the toy.
That's a question for him. Okay.
Sir, how did the dog indicate?
First of all, before we get to that,
No, I want to know. This is bullshit.
No. Okay, so am I going to find anything inside the vehicle?
I do not consent.
I have probable cause.
No, you don't.
Canine alert.
That's a lie.
Find it in court.
No,
okay?
you're lying.
Okay, am I going to find anything
You're
in the
lying.
vehicle? Am I
You're
finding
lying.
anything in the
This is
vehicle?
bullshit.
Okay.
You're not allowed to get in my vehicle. You're not allowed in my vehicle. Sir, you're not allowed to go in my vehicle.
Going in your vehicle.
How did that? Can I talk to the canine officer?
So,
No, you're not going in my car, dude.
Here's the thing.
I watched
Yes.
you.
The dog
you threw a
sat.
toy.
The dog sat.
No, it didn't.
Yes,
it did not
did.
say once.
Yes, it did.
Get out of my car.
No, stay over here.
Dude, I watched the dog. The dog did not sit.
did. Yes, it did.
No, it didn't.
If you keep going like this, you're going to go in cuffs. Do you understand that?
I didn't do anything.
Relax.
Get out of my
Relax.
car.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your fucking back. Under arrest. You're being detained.
For what? What am I being detained for, sir?
You're not compliant.
I resist. This is against my right. You're no, I'm not. This is bullshit.
Cooperate with them. Cooperate with them. Okay.
Man, are you watching this? They're violating my right. Ow!
It's all being recorded. It's all being recorded.
Stop! Dude, I have bad shoulder.
Fighting us.
Stop! I'm not fighting you. I'm asking you questions and you're not being right. Please let go of my fucking arm. Dude, come on! You're my rib, my fucking arm, man.
Relax your body.
You're hurting me. I'm telling you to stop. I have bad fucking shoulders. Stop! You're violating my rights. I didn't do anything wrong. You have no probable cause for anything. Ma'am, please record this. They're violating my rights. Dude, I just helped your sister move into her house, and this is how you do it.
That's between you and them. Yeah, that's
No, dude, that's when you fucking get my. This is bullshit. I just want to go to work and make money so I can survive, man.
When you're ready, we're gonna get you up, okay? Slow down.
I'm good. Just fucking shoot me.
Alright. Bring your knees up. Just bring your knees up.
No, you guys are fucking ruining my life, dude.
Roll up on your knees.
You're ruining my life over some mandatory insurance bullshit. Like, seriously ruining my life over some mandatory. And the dog did not hit. You're a fucking lie.
Okay.
Okay. I washed the dog. The dog never sat, dude. And they said that it was because the dog, when he threw the toy. You're lying, bro.
Come on.
You're lying, bro. God, get off my fucking shoulders. Well, you guys are lying. You're lying. This is bullshit, man.
I'm gonna give him a good search.
Go to jail over mandatory insurance. You're not allowed to buy
Sanitizer in your car?
I do not consent to none of this.
Well, what's he got for charges, though?
What?
What's he got for charges, though?
Him?
Yeah.
Suspended.
Oh, he is? No.
Yeah.
He's not suspended.
The plates are.
The plates are,
Yeah.
yeah, but not him.
Yeah. But we're gonna tow an impound
Totally,
anyways.
yeah. Knowing how he is, does the center console or anything come out? I can see him.
Check that center thing above the radio too.
Well, there's your glass. He's cutting it on. Paraphernalia, probably. Cannabis residue there.
And what?
Cannabis residue in that there.
There's a meth pipe in this.
You can see fucking meth residue shit.
Yeah.
On that glass. So.
And this door was cracked open, right? So she did sat and then jumped up and like that's how, yeah.
So it's mostly on this side.
So, and with that being cracked, that probably,
The air
coming out,
there.
yeah. I haven't seen a wallet.
He said he had it on him in his pocket. Residue, and then a mirror with some residue on it too.
Okay. So, what do I have on him other than the suspension, the pipes? I mean, I was just trying to detain him. He was getting really close to bucking up. They caught us.
Paraphernalia, we'll have to get that tested.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure he met though.
Okay, do you have any field tests?
That's
Okay,
probably
I'm trying to
not
get this
enough
paperwork
area.
done.
There ain't enough, yeah.
I'm trying to get this paperwork done, but he won't stop talking. So I was trying to think if we had something to take him in at least.
Well, was either of those two going to talk to him, try to do anything?
What's that?
Was either the other two going to talk to him and see about doing anything?
You want to call them real quick?
They might just hold the charges over his head and deal with it.
Yeah.
If he works, he works. If he don't, he don't. It's a pat down.
What else do I have other than the mandatory insurance and paraphernalia potentially?
I don't even know if you can really even do.
I don't think I can do resisting.
Because he wasn't technically in custody.
Right. I was just trying to scare him because he was getting more and more pissed off.
Yeah, he was getting agitated and trying to walk over and start shit. So yeah, he's
Yeah.
obviously going to get detained and placed in the cuffs.
Yep.
So, and then that's when he fucking passed on. I mean, the state attorney could charge for it. I mean, you could write it up.
Just write it up.
But do we know if either one of them are going to talk to him or not?
I think
Hold it over his head.
I think Mikey's calling him right now. I'm gonna verify.
That's what I would do.
All right.
So, I mean, that was the whole reason for the stop anyway. So.
But here's the thing, though. We didn't have anything to arrest him for. I was trying to detain him because he was starting to buck up.
But you gave him a lawful order, which
Yes.
he disobeyed.
Obstruction.
Did you get on? Were you talking with them on the phone?
Yeah, there's not enough to get anything out of there.
No. Do they want to talk?
Trying to make a deal or anything?
He's gonna call me back. He's gonna call Dan real quick.
Okay. So what do you think I got? Other than the
Because it would have been
resisting?
technically obstruction at that point. You were giving him a
Obstruction.
lawful order, and then you were detaining him for the obstruction, and then he resisted. So technically,
Okay.
I mean, whether the state's attorney would actually charge for it, I mean, you could write it, and if they throw it out, they'll throw it out, whatever.
I think I should write it up or just cite them. Did you say that those two were going to call you back?
My phone's
Okay. Tell them what we potentially have and see how they want us to work that.
I don't think he said. Ryan said definitely charge him with resisting.
Definitely charge with okay, so I'm going to have to charge him with the obstruction too in order to get the resisting because I really didn't have anything at that point until he resisted after he was obstructing. Okay.
But he clearly obstructed.
Yeah, because you told him back up, and he kept coming forward
Yeah,
to you.
absolutely.
Yep. Okay. Let me know what this is. All right. I'm going to unlock these real quick, okay? If you start to buck up, you're going back down to the ground. You understand? Okay.
Right.
Okay. Put your hand up on the back of the truck, okay? Right here. I'm just giving you good direction, that's
I
all.
wasn't trying to buck with you guys earlier. I was just asking questions, and you guys got like, look at that shit. I didn't buck up. I just asked a question. I didn't like throw my hands up. I didn't ball my.
Well, you don't have to buck up. You don't have to throw your hands out and do that. He gave you a lawful order, and you still continued closing that distance on him.
He said he's detaining me, and
He told you to back up. First of all, Mikey told
into
you to
you
back
guys.
up. No. He kept telling you to back up, going like this. You kept aggressively coming towards him after he told you to back up.
No,
and
I
then
did
he
not.
told you that you were going to be detained.
Right, and then
still
he grabbed me and pushed
pulling
me
away
forward.
from your arms.
No,
as we had a
no,
hold
I
of
put him to the side because I put him to my side, and then I put him behind me, and then you guys still took
Obviously,
me down.
we're not going to come to an agreement
No,
on
I
how
was
things
just saying.
happen, you know what I'm saying?
I understand. I'm just saying that I was not trying to. I just got done dealing with that. I was trying to.
I get it. Stress the situation.
I have my rights too. And
Yeah,
you guys,
we're not going to see eye to eye on this, okay?
you're right. You guys
Okay.
don't think that
So
that
let's
we
just
have
have a seat
rights.
up here.
You guys think that you
Have a
have
seat
more
up
rights.
this squad.
Mikey said, state attorney said, take him in, process,
Can you turn this
book,
one,
and
please?
All right, so I'm going to move him up there. You can get your cuffs up there, and I'll start writing everything up. Thanks for the help, boys.
The lead officer receives a B+. The victim's statement was obtained efficiently and correctly. The probable cause chain is clean, and the arrest was completed without significant force. The B+ reflects two concerns. The taser warning issued before Michael had actually fled or physically resisted, which was premature as a verbal threat, and the absence of documented welfare assessment for a 6-2-year-old subject making specific physical complaints during handcuffing. Michael receives a D. He created every charge in this encounter through his own conduct. The knife exhibition, the threat, the tire stabbing, and the non-compliance during arrest. His not guilty pleas are his legal right and do not affect this evaluation. Cornwall receives a C+. His primary charge has a genuine factual defense. His drug paraphernalia and suspended registration charges arose from the arrest process and were not related to the road rage incident. 3 lessons. First, an assault charge in Illinois does not require physical contact. Reasonable apprehension of imminent battery established through a victim's statement that she locked her doors and felt threatened for her life satisfies every element. A knife displayed in a threatening manner toward a person who is afraid is assault. The tire is property damage. Both are crimes. Neither required the attacker to touch the victim. Second, resisting arrest in Illinois requires knowing resistance. A person who is physically unable to comply, whether from a genuine physical constraint, a medical limitation, or a leash entanglement may have a viable defense to the knowing element. This is not a free pass for delay tactics. It is a meaningful legal distinction that requires a fact finder to evaluate whether compliance was possible at the moment it was demanded. Third, in a legal analysis video, citing the correct state's statute matters. Florida Statute Section 790.1 is real, accurate, and applies in Florida. This case occurred in Illinois. The applicable statute is 720 ILCS 524-1. The penalty is the same. The citation is wrong. Viewers who rely on this channel to learn the law deserve accurate citations. When the wrong one is used, it should be corrected. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.